Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Manipur Elders Consortium Shillong hakasngi ublei kala Pynlong ke Jingïakhih Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor kum kadak ban persha halor ke jingsha thombor ki jat benriu Meitei Manipur. Ya kani ke Jingïakhih Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor la Pynlong Manipuri Rajpari Shillong kani ke Jingïakhih Shong Kyllaiñ Mungor kalong kum ke jing persha halor ki kam thombor ya ki jat benriu Meitei Manipur. Nilamat jing'e shikat dei le shisna menta namar kani ke Jingïakhih at ki Shong Meitei ki sha thombor lingba ke jing penhap bom nasun laong Presiden ke MECS Umunish Singh habakran syakila patai khobor. Kumban syukdo hangni lekeno baki lekno kuki dangshan kila penhap bom hakikat tu kani ki Shong Manipur dak ba penan kam daki drone. Habakdo baki Meitei ki de ki brio ki bayajan bat ki badan yang mensiam shipara ulaong bakum kejat benrio kam ngait satya hakikam lekno. Ngakentu badai bansange penyap yaki Meitei balui-lui haki Shong ki thau ki balui-lui kila kala longsa kemah Manipur kumta kani kadai bansange shisundon bat ngi nakaliang ke MECS ngi kwa ban kentu ya baro ki badan ke jing sngokhya ban sngbha ban pet baki Meitei balui-lui kin amsha penyap Manipur ong using. Habakali ulaong bak Manipur kadon ne ka khaput ke bajrong lai spa san phuar kilometer bat ke Myanmar bat ke Bombyang ke Jingker hakawai kaliang ke bapensuk ya karung kami jong ki banabari Shillong bandrung bean Manipur. Utei unong yalam habakdo bakatei kadai kamat kepala Slemba ula keno bah ke jing shisha ke Jinglong jingman bamenta hakadai ke jela baro kadai namar ke jingwan rung bean ki bana Shillong Myanmar bat namar kani lami sakawai pat ke jing'e ke narco terrorism ni ke kam khahi drong bat ke jing rep popi haki jakalum ke Manipur ke balong bean. Haban pensange shi sendan ya kani bat ka sarkar kadai ban le AA persha ik bakum kini ki kam bean Manipur ulaong. Halor kalat jing penbet ya kani ke Jingïakhih at ke balane ala palat shisnem using ula banjur halor ke jingdon kam ya ke jingesnok tilang jong ki riu pat ba. Menta ki babun ki samla na Manipur ki sa shabar ke jela namar ka kam bat ke jingpuli jongki ngidon kam ban penbor ya ke sarkar ban wan rak biang ya ke suka san ulaong.
Meitei na, Manipuri mana, Manipuri mana.
Today we are gathered here as a sit-in protest against the atrocities to Meiteis, the Meitei communities in Manipur. We have been suffering for long, for the last 1 year, with this ethnic conflicts. Now the situation has risen, and in the periphery area of Manipur, the Meitei villages are being attacked with aerial bombings by the narco-terrorism. So this needs to be stopped, and such kind of false propaganda in the media, in the national media, we also urge to know the Meitei community properly and speak, because many false propaganda narratives are going around in the media, in the news about the Meitei community, which are all wrong. We, the Meiteis, have got a long legacy. Our forefathers are the rulers of Manipur. If you see the 1862, map of India and Southeast Asia by J.C. Johnson, you will see that in this area of Northeast, only Manipur is written. The importance of Manipur I'm talking about since time immemorial. The kingdom of Manipur is being mentioned there, and our forefathers, not just in Manipur but beyond Manipur, has given an impact in their times. Protest is a sit-in protest for the atrocities to the Meiteis community in Manipur. This has been organized by Manipuri Elders Consortium, Shillong. So recently you all are aware that there has been an aerial bombing in the outskirt villages, Meitei villages. So this is mainly against those kind of inhumanities and torture being done
by the this militants from the Myanmar side. So this is our effort to ensure that the villagers are being taken care of, and we stood together to fight back such kind of terrorism.